Today, I'm going to show you how to print a Word document as a PDF, and it only takes a few clicks. This is a super useful method if you want to share a document, keep the formatting exactly the same, or save a copy that anyone can open without needing Microsoft Word. It works great for resumes, reports, school assignments, forms, and anything else you want to turn into a PDF. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Word document you want to convert. Make sure the file is fully loaded and ready to go before you start printing. Once your document is open, look up to the top left corner and click File. This is where Word keeps the main options for saving, printing, and exporting your document. After you click File, choose Print from the menu. This will open the Print Settings page where you can see a preview of your document and choose how you want it to be output. Now here's the key part. Instead of sending it to a physical printer, you need to select a PDF printer. On Windows, look for Microsoft Print to PDF in the Printer dropdown. If you're using a Mac, choose Save as PDF. This tells your computer to create a PDF file instead of printing on paper. Once you select the PDF option, take a moment to review your settings. You can choose which pages to include, whether that's all pages or just a custom range. You can also check the formatting, orientation, and any other print settings you want to keep exactly right. If your document is long, this is a good time to make sure the preview looks the way you expect before continuing. When everything looks good, click Print. Even though it says Print, this step actually begins the PDF creation process. A new window will pop up asking you where you want to save the file. This is where you give your PDF a name and choose the folder on your computer where you want it stored. Type in a clear file name so you can find it easily later, then click Save. After that, Word will generate the PDF and place it in the location you selected. In just a few seconds, your Word document will be saved as a PDF file ready to email, upload, or share. And that's it. You've successfully printed a Word document as a PDF. It's one of the easiest ways to preserve your formatting and create a professional-looking file in just moments. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.